going to the scary person's house. Okay. I'm going trick-or-treating. I'm gonna go to her house. Dang it, I forgot a bag. My house is like all the way. Forget it. But I'm scared, but my friends dare me to, and they like pay me. I don't know. But they're gonna be tricking me. They think I'm dumb. Which, I think I'm not. But, you know, whatever. So I'm kinda scared. She's got some creepy dogs, man. Trick or treat. Give me something good to eat.
What do you want? I was sleeping.
I want some candy.
Okay. Would you like to come in?
Sure. You know, my friends think I'm dumb, but, you know, I wouldn't be dumb enough to get candy.
Come on in.
Why do you have, like, stuff under it?
Because I'm tired!
Okay.
Sorry, Charlie.
No. What? Can I turn this on?
No! Right. Turn it off.
I'm getting out of here.
Wouldn't you like an apple?
Of course. Wait. Is it poisonous? It looks poisonous to me.
Sugar plum. Poisonous apple would be rotten.
Oh, yeah. Of course. What am I thinking? Oh, can I have some of the apple? Thank you.
Go.
Should I eat this?
Just eat it.
Yummy, right? It's kind of weird. Weird taste.
Done, darling. Would you like to play a little game?
No.
Why not?
Because you're freaky.
Do you feel a little woozy?
A little.
Good. I'm going to get you! Let you go! Come back here! Come back here!
Never!
That's my property! I come to kill you! She's dead! You're next.